Dear students, today we are going to learn how to write an application for marriage ceremony. So let's start. The Principal, British Public School, Islamabad. Subject: Application for marriage ceremony. Sir, with respect, it is stated that I have to attend the marriage ceremony of my elder brother. Therefore, I cannot come to school. Kindly grant me leave for 3 days. I shall be very thankful to you for this act of kindness. Yours obediently. Roll number, date. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe Fizz Education and hit the bell icon for early notifications.